Welcome back to another video, guys. Back out at Lafayette Reservoir. Just got here, just parked. Gonna do something different today. Gonna do a roulette fishing challenge. I got 4 baits out of the 4. I got a Senko, a drop shot, a punch rig, and a frog. Gonna spin the wheel once I get down there, use each bait for 15 minutes and see how many fish I can get on each one. Catch you guys when I get down there. All right, just got down to the dock. Gonna go ahead and spin the wheel and see what I get to start with. Looks like I'm starting off with a frog. All right, gonna go ahead and set a timer for 15 minutes. Starting off, timer, 15 minutes, start. All right, gonna start off with the live target frog, see what I can get. Timer's going. Like an afternoon sesh, but I just got tired. Would have been a good night out there. Oh. 15 minutes up. Thank God. Nothing on the frog. God damn. Alright, nothing on a frog. Gonna see the next bait I get. Please don't be a frog. Alright, Senko. I can do that. 15 minutes fishing a Senko. You just hear a giant blow up and no more sound. I would. I've caught on live bluegills here. I should have had that in there, like a mystery bait live bluegill.
I've thrown a live bluegill here before.
I've caught on it before. Oh, there's a bite. Got one. Oh, off. Came off. You're joking. You're joking.
You filming?
Yeah, you're joking. It just came off. Oh, that was a decent one too, it felt like.
Alright, you actually want to catch that fish, turn the camera off and toss it.
No, camera's staying on. I gotta get that great content, but you're joking. What? That hurts. That really hurts. I actually felt like a decent fish. I'm not joking.
You just said that I'm joking. Yeah. I've never bought a permit.
Shit. Timer's done. Gonna go to the next bait. Well, yeah, I didn't buy. Please be a drop shot. No, I don't want that. Punch rig. God damn it. All right,
Okay,
gonna see what I get for the 5th bait of the day. Hopefully a drop shot and drop shot. 15 minutes, see how many I can get on that. Maybe 45 minutes. Oh, pagan. Is he still on? Damn. No, I see a frog, it's in the Thule. Keep pulling on it though. I mean, never know if he's still on there.
Yep, still on.
Really?
Yep.
Take a boat. No balls, take a boat. Bro, just hop on one of the, oh, you got him out? Big one?
This is a good fish.
It's just gonna be a 10-incher.
Probably is.
It's a 10-incher.
Dude, oh no.
Did it break your frog?
No, I fucking blinded him.
Bro, you thought he was huge.
I thought he was massive.
Right in the eye. He didn't even hook him. Oh, he's donezo.
He might, dude, he's in the brain.
He's donezo.
He is so not good.
Well,
I'm sorry.
One on a frog.
Was that all on film?
Yeah. Well, I didn't get you setting the hook, but I heard it.
Oh, that's all that matters. You know?
Thought he was a giant. He's about...
I thought he was huge, not gonna lie. I mean, I'd just like to thank my sponsors. Pal Rods, Dobbin Rods.
I mean, me for, you know, the drop shot weights.
Shimano. I mean, I didn't catch this on a drop shot. Sure, we'll thank Mr. Peter here for getting me drop shot weights, even though this is a frog, not a drop shot.
Yeah.
Let's see who else is really expensive. Megabass. I'd like to thank Megabass. What else?
Huck, your shirt.
Huck. However you pronounce it. Phoenix Boats, Stratus Boats, Power Poles, and let's get this fish back, eh?
Yeah. Bro, if you hit the dock, that would have been so funny.
Yep. Good thing I'm an All-American at basketball.
Giants. Oh, that's better. I got one.
Really?
Yeah.
Attaboy.
There's one on the jerkbait. Feels like a decent one. Oh no, he's just hooked. He's just hooked in the side. Yes, I am.
Are you proud of that fish?
Got one. It's a bass. It's just tiny.
Dude,
Bro,
why do all of these bass look like
huge. It's one on a
Full
jerkbait.
spot?
No, it's just tiny.
Okay. I sound like a real fucking idiot on camera, don't I, right now?
Yep.
I do.
You know, a trout and a spotted bass. You said.
Would you shut the fuck up? You know what? That there looks like a bluegillins.
I mean, it's just a giant to me. See that, guys?
Hey, listen,
Huge.
I know you.
As big as the camera. On a megabass jerkbait.
On the Megabass.
Bites turning on. They're just schooling out deep.
Are they?
Man, that probably it's really shallow. It's like a 2-foot diving jerk. Ben's got one on right now on the drop shot. Lucky. I'm gonna start off throwing my Senko.
He's got shoulders.
Giant. 10-pounder.
Oh, 10-pounder.
10-pounder on the drop shot.
If I lose this fish, I'm gonna Ike and Elliott and snap my rod.
Giant. Giant out here.
Pigs. Oh.
Giant on the drop shot. Biggest fish I've seen out of here. Huge. What'd you catch that on?
Oh, you know the Kitech shad thing.
Kitech shad thing?
Yep.
Nice. Drop shot.
Pick it up.
1/8 ounce weight. Who made that weight?
That would be you.
Oh, me? Oh, I made that weight.
That would be you.
Selling my weights, guys. If you want to buy any weights, let me know in the comments. Oh. So that's like half my fish, right? Something like that.
That is.
Gonna start off throwing my Senko, 15 minutes. See what I can get.